Okay guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Rico Camelio Humawas. Reminders, this is not for kids. This is for adults only. Now guys, I want to share you how to recharging the refrigerant to the unit of the split type aircon now. See, first you insert the hose here in the refrigerant tank. Then after that, then you turn downside. You turn downside in 1 minute. This refrigerant cycle is because you put a liquid the system. So after this 1 minute, you turn downside the refrigerant tank. After the liquid, you put a liquid in the system. Then you turn it back. Okay, it will like this. And after that, you forging this gauge. You forge this. Forge this system. You forge this. You forge like that, huh? Because so that the moisture will not get inside the system. After that, you turn back. Then a little bit open this valve. Open this valve like this. Okay. Open this valve like this. So you monitor the running pressure of the gauge of the low side pressure. Okay, thank you for sharing my YouTube channel guys about how to recharging the refrigerant into the system. Thank you guys for watching my video. This is Ikies the vlogger in Cebu. Thank you. Please subscribe and press the button. Rico Humawas. Thank you.